Tell me what kind of results we've seen since we launched.
You guys built out, I think, close to around 25 to 30 campaigns on LinkedIn, took ownership of the entire creative process as well end to end. From LinkedIn alone, we were able to generate close to around 30 demos in over a month and a half, not just across LinkedIn, Google Ads, but across all of these channels combined together, like Facebook, Reddit, Meta, right? Demand generation is your specialty, right? And I think that is very important in this day and age.
All right, I am here with Ankit Kanoria, Chief Growth Officer at Hiver, longtime client of ours, former client, and then came back and is now an existing client again. But Ankit, thank you so much for being here with us.
Absolutely.
So obviously we've been working together for a while. You left, you tried a new approach, and then you ended up coming back. So there's a lot to talk about here, but I want to ask you 5 major questions. So what was the paid media situation at Hiver before you started working with Understory?
I think it was a bit all over the place. We knew for sure that we wanted to revamp our strategy and we wanted to double down on execution. Essentially meant that we wanted someone who is not, we wanted someone who is not also just very strategic with their approach, but also very hands-on with the day-to-day execution, right? And I think we found the right fit with Understory. That in itself, when you guys came on the first call with us, right? You guys were super prepared, right? And it almost felt like you knew our business better than we do, right? And I think that just gave me a lot of confidence going into the partnership, right? This is why we also sort of came back after a bit of a turmoil on our side. But yeah, happy to be working with Understory and you guys.
Love that. So what made you decide to work with us in the first place? How did you find us?
I generally follow quite a few people on LinkedIn, and just looking at the content that you guys used to push out on a weekly basis resonated with a lot of the problems that we were also struggling with. And I knew from the get-go that if the team here in house at Hiver can probably take us from 0 to 10, right? But if we have to make the next leap from 10 to 50 or 50 to 100, we are not going to need a very strategic hands-on agency like Understory. And probably that was the whole appeal and why we talked to you in the first place.
Love that. Makes a lot of sense. And I feel like it's a lot of times on paid media in particular as a service line for us, a lot of companies come to us at your stage. You guys are reasonably far along, I think more so than people even know. But people come to us typically at your stage and they want us to scale them from, call it 20 million in ARR to 200 million in ARR or something like that. That's a pretty common range for us. So yeah, I think you guys fit that mold perfectly and you guys have been excellent to work with. So walk through the actual process. So what have we built for you? And then after that, tell me what kind of results we've seen since we launched.
The first ask from the team at Understory was building our entire LinkedIn campaign. We did try it in the past, but we did not see any success. And, honestly, I was a bit apprehensive in putting dollars into LinkedIn, right? And my ask was to build the entire LinkedIn funnel from 0 to 1, right? Setting up all the funnels, right, from top of the funnel, middle of the funnel, bottom of the funnel. And you guys built out, I think, close to around 25 to 30 campaigns on LinkedIn, right? You guys took ownership of the entire creative process as well end to end, which was great to see. And we were able to go live on LinkedIn within two to 3 weeks, right? Which is amazing, right? It doesn't take. It takes more time than that to onboard a new team member in house, right? So that was great. The other part that you guys did really well was fixing all the issues that we had in our Google Ads account. And we had quite a lot of spend on Google Ads. Right, we probably had more than, I think, 500 plus keywords and close to about 50 ad groups. And we were quite heavily spending on Google Ads. So you guys, built out all the necessary conversion tracking, the setup in HubSpot, and cleaning up a lot of the high performing but poor ROI campaigns. And that sort of worked really well for us. I think just to talk about the numbers, right? I think from LinkedIn alone, we were able to generate close to around 30 demos in over a month and a half, which was amazing to see, right? We had tried our hands at LinkedIn, and even though we had spent more than 50K on LinkedIn in the past, right, we did not see any ROI, and you guys spent way lesser than that and got us close to 30 demos, which was fantastic, right? I did not expect to see such results on Google Ads. I think the work that your team did helped get a lot of clarity in terms of how we should be allocating our spend across different keywords and campaigns. And that has really that has drastically improved our performance on the Google Ad side. So yeah, I think those were the two significant pieces that the team at Understory were able to build.
Love that. I'm really glad to hear we've been able to deliver so much for you. We love working with you guys. You guys are a fantastic client. You're very easy to work with. You guys know your business very well, and you let us do what we're best at. And it's been a pleasure. Last question for you. So, who would you recommend this to and why?
I would probably recommend this to any startup, mid-sized business, or an enterprise, right? And one of the reasons, I mean, there are a couple of reasons why I would recommend you guys. One is, you guys really care about your clients, right? Service is probably, the top criteria for me when I choose an agency, right? And I mean, you guys are very responsive on Slack. Your team members are great to work with beyond just strategy and hands-on execution, right? I mean, you as a group, I think you folks are fantastic to work with. Second, I would recommend you guys because of the experience that you bring to the table, not just across, LinkedIn, Google Ads, but across all of these channels combined together, like Facebook, Reddit, Meta, right? All of these different channels, and figuring out sort of a multi-channel approach to demand generation is your specialty, right? And I think that is very important in this day and age, and I think you guys have really nailed that. Third, I would say that you guys are excellent when it comes to execution. Time to value has been truly phenomenal, right? I mean, you guys got us started in probably less than a week's time, right? Which is more than anyone could ask for, right? And I think that has been great boost in terms of how we manage our spend, look at performance and all the other metrics, right? So I mean, these three things, just to sum up: the time to value, the great service that you have provided to us, and obviously the strategy behind everything that you do has always been spot on, right?
Love that. And I really appreciate those words. We try our best. And like I said, it goes both ways. You've been a total pleasure to work with. Your whole team has. And we were very happy to see you guys come back. We were very, very happy because you guys are so nice to work with. But all right, Ankit, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Let's continue building together and continue to improve results over and over again. But thank you so much, Ankit. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, great to have you on our side, Alex.